Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the obvious but essential items: power, cables, and which monitor Windows or macOS shows as active. Once done, open Display Settings and note the monitor number so you act on the correct device. Next, go to Power Options or Energy Saver and temporarily set Display Sleep to a longer duration. Make sure the screensaver is disabled or set to none so it won't trigger while you test and troubleshoot further. Now focus on drivers and inputs because they often cause power save locks. You should update the GPU driver through Device Manager or your GPU utility, or roll back if the issue began after an update. Then, set the monitor input manually and turn off auto source switching. This avoids blank detection. If the problem persists, plug the cable into a different port or try another cable to isolate a faulty connector. Make sure the monitor OSD on-screen display shows an active signal. Finally, reboot your computer to apply changes and watch the monitor through the set timeout to confirm it stays active. This verifies success. Save your power profile and, if necessary, perform a clean GPU driver reinstall to remove corrupted components. If the monitor still enters power-saving mode, test it on another computer to determine whether the issue is the monitor or your system. If it's the monitor, check warranty or contact the manufacturer. If it's the PC, repeat driver and power checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.